Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you a side hustle that you can do with no experience. You can become a web designer. A web designer packages that I have seen and I know that people are charging around $7,000 for just a simple website, up to $25,000, even $28,000. All of this is just simply because we have it available in our industry on the website in order for you to become successful. So there are plenty of tools, there are plenty of website hosting that you can choose from. And for me, I need to know my clients what is it that they need, so I know which hosting they need to get. So I found Kartra. Kartra is something that is unbelievably easy to use. You have everything in there in order to grow and automate the website. So there are pages that you can just drag and drop. There are themes you can choose for any type of industry your client might be. It can be an accountant, a fitness, it can be a parenting coach, it can be an e-commerce business, it can be a consultant. So many opportunities are there. Just choosing a theme for your client, that is so simple. Just drag and drop and use it. Then you have optimization. The website is going to be optimized based on what you choose the theme for. There are leads that are going to be collected, and the way to do the website is just, this platform just has exactly what you need. It collects emails from those who are visiting the website for your client, and you're just simply going to create that. It's so simple to do it. And the way that it collects emails is just by having a pop-up stating stay in touch with our weekly newsletter by just signing up with your email address. And then you have an opt-in, and then that's an email that is actually going to be collected. So that feature you can do as an add-on, as a special bonus, if they need it to make it just more than just a website. Then with Kartra, you can create funnels and campaigns. So let's assume that there are people who already have a website, who already have an email collecting platform. However, they don't have sales. And what you can do, you can create them funnels through Kartra by charging them an extra $500, creating a funnel that is absolutely going to be automated, creating a campaign, creating them a lead page or a service page, whatever that they need. A lead magnet that is simply like an ebook or an incentive for them, for the visitors to sign up with their email in order to get that. Assuming you have a client who has a website, who has a campaign, who has a lead magnet, but doesn't have enough to collect email lists. So let's say the emails that they have, it's very short, it's very small. So they want to grow their email list. And the only way to do it, you come in as a web designer who is also designing webinars by simply using Kartra, and you're going to create webinars based on what they have. All you do is you are creating a webinar with the videos, of course, and videos can be done through Kartra. Kartra has a feature for videos, and then what your client can do is just automate that so people can just go and watch the webinar whenever they want, at their own time, wherever they want, in any part of the world. And they can really purchase whatever the client is trying to sell. So let's assume it's an accounting firm and they are doing a webinar about tax strategies, and at the end they have a sale. For example, whoever is interested to book one-on-one call or get a package or a membership, then they are more than welcome to just sign up. And this is just a webinar that has been automated, and many people can just hear it, listen to it, and actually make a purchase and become a member. So Kartra has a feature for videos. Your client can create videos. You can create videos to sell your services as a web designer. So that feature alone is in that website, Kartra. Another feature that Kartra has is That's beyond the feature. This is an add-on service. So you are, as a marketer, as a digital marketer, right, beyond the web design services that you create, but you are also making sure that they have an add-on service, an add-on package where they need marketing on board, virtual marketing department, that's what I call it. And then what you can do with Kartra is not just collect the email addresses of the visitors who are visiting the website, but also their phone numbers in order to get up to date with an upcoming webinar or the scheduled webinar that they're not going to forget, or an appointment SMS reminder that they're not going to forget. Then when I say that you have a webinar, in order to get through Kartra, you also have a checkout feature. Not many websites have a checkout features, so Kartra has that. So when somebody is going to listen to a webinar and wants to make a purchase, there is a checkout feature where they can actually put in their credit card information and start buying whatever the product or the membership is, so the client is not left out and trying to figure out who to contact in order to make a purchase. So that an add-on for the web designer as well. Now, when I say membership, Kartra has that too. You can offer that to your client, whoever has a website and wants to scale their business. No matter what business they are, membership is all in one hosting, it's all in one platform. So you can create that add-on to your customer as well, so that way they really don't need to struggle and figure out which platform you are going to create that. Before finding Kartra, I used to have so many software for membership, software for checkout page, software for contact information like MailChimp, software for hosting, software for web designing, themes I needed to buy and purchase. It was overwhelming that I even forgot the passwords for all of them. So each one had a different password. I couldn't really share the same password. For whatever reason, some softwares did not accept that. So that was overwhelming. Kartra has everything in one platform that I don't even need to go and figure it out and Google and search for a different platform for a different service that I'm looking for. Kartra has it. Then what else you can do with Kartra? You can create surveys, quizzes, something that a web designer should know how to do it, but everything is there, just drag and drop. There is a theme available. All you have to do is just to edit the text, change the layout, add some pictures, and that's it. You've done it. And all of that you can charge for $7,000, $10,000, $24,000, because you are showing yourself as a professional by having all of these features through Kartra. Let me know in the comments if this is something you heard of or you want to try. I would like to create a tutorial, but I need to know that you are interested. Let me know in the comments and give me a like so I know you are interested in more content like this. Subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends who are struggling and would like to become a web designer as a side hustle business. I'll see you on the next video.